It's time for another Where Do I Get My Beads From? This time from Banjo's Bead House. Stay tuned to check out what Linda has given me in my bead order this week. Okay, so here are my beads, and I've got what I actually ordered, these beautiful matte Miyuki beads in a size 11. So these come in metallic colours, and I love the aluminium silver colour, the Aztec gold, and the light copper. These are a Miyuki bead with the Czech coating, so they match a lot of the other Czech beads. They're a fabulous bead to use in beadwork, and what I really love is the way that they match with some of the other beads. So Linda actually has sent through to me some O beads in the Aztec gold colour here as well, and they're fantastic for using on things like bead embroidery edging. So I'll pop in a little link to another video that I've done that actually has that edging on it, and you'll get to see what that looks like. Linda's also put through a couple of other bits and pieces for me. So there is a couple of crystals in the what's called square octagon shape, and look at the sparkle that's on those. So these are a square with the little tiny points cut off on the corners, making them an octagon, and these are a crystal iridescent foil. So the sparkle and shine on those is spectacular. I really look forward to working with those. Linda's also popped in for me a couple of little freebies. So there's two of these gorgeous hot pink teardrops, beautiful for an earring drop, great for summer colours. Sort of match my nails as well at the moment. Love the thought of using them in some earrings. And a couple of these little glass cabochons, which they're fantastic. They're a great thing to be able to use for beading around and that type of thing. There's also one more thing that Linda has popped in my little box here for us, and it is the Design on the Fly surprise package that's due to come through in October, on the 18th of October. So this one will be a surprise. I literally don't know what Linda has popped in there. I'm not sure whether this is going to be upside down or not for you, so I'll just flip it over. But Design on the Fly surprise, I'll open this on the 18th of October, 11 a.m. It'll be live on Facebook, so please join me there. And Linda's popped a couple of little notes on the back, and it says, looking forward to seeing what you create, Design on the Fly 2025. Surprise. And it says it's okay to peek inside, just don't tell Paula. So for those of you that have purchased and are going to bead along with me, look forward to seeing what you come up with, and who knows what I'm going to come up with this Design on the Fly surprise package. Hope you've enjoyed that nice quick one today, and another session of Where Do I Get My Beads From. Please make sure that you like and subscribe, and keep in touch with all the other things that happens with On a String. Thanks for that. Bye for now.